Hello guys and welcome to another YouTube video. Today I will be showing you what you need to do in order to delete your multiple friends on your Snapchat, or if you want to clear your Snapchat in some way. So let's jump right into it. I'm gonna open my Snapchat real quick, and on the top left I'm gonna go to my profile, and then I'm gonna scroll down. I'm gonna press my friends. And now if you see, I actually have a lot of friends on here, and sometimes that many friends are totally unnecessary. Some of them just usually sit on there and you don't exactly um, communicate or anything. So what you can do in that case, what do you do if you want to delete them in multiples? Well, I'm gonna put it real simple. You basically can't, since you if you press those three dots in the top right, it only says recently added friends, and I'm gonna press that and it's gonna show all the friends I added recently. But there's not, and if I long press on that also, that it won't exactly let me choose multiple friends. So one thing's for sure, that you cannot basically group them in some way and then press the delete button and then they're just gonna magically disappear. The only way for you to remove friends is you just tap on one and you're gonna remove friend, and you're gonna do it for the next one, and then you're gonna do it for your next one until the whole night passes away. So there's no exact convenient way to remove multiple friends, but what you can do to remove multiple friends at the same time is you just basically you delete your account. That can be easily found in the settings. So you can scroll down to the settings. I'm going to show you that real quick, and you can delete your account from here. Oh my god, I hope I don't delete it. So that is pretty much all about this topic. I hope this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.